All right, we're going to do two-step equations today. This is day 2 of this. We're going to do a quick review, making sure that everybody is aware with fractions and negative numbers. So, 3 problems please put on your paper. We are going to simplify negative 16 divided by 4. I have this written as a fraction here, and then I rewrote it using the division symbol. Negative 16 divided by 4 is negative 4. If I rewrite this fraction, I have the ability of taking this negative sign and putting it in the denominator. And when I put it in the denominator, I go 16 divided by negative 4, and we get the same answer, right? So now I have a negative in the numerator, I had a negative in the denominator, and I ended up with the same 2 answers. Now if I take that negative and I put it out in front of that fraction, I end up with parentheses 16 divided by 4, which becomes negative 4. Notice, that means that we always have the ability to move that negative sign wherever we would like, right? In most cases, I normally get the negative sign in the numerator or with a number. And you'll see what I mean when we're on our solving problems. Okay? So, I'll show you on the next problem, okay? What I mean by with a number. Are we ready to go on? Here you go. Vocabulary. Inverse order of operations. These are the 2 things that we're going to talk about today. Addition and subtraction, multiplication and division. Notice I do not have any notes on square roots or cube roots. Since we did that the other day, we're not going to talk about that today right now. Right? Looking at number 1. At number 1, I have x over 2 plus 5 equals 11. What do I do first? Cool. Very good. I'm going to subtract 5 from both sides. So I get x over 2 is equal to 6. What now? Cool? This is being divided already. How do I undo dividing? Times by 2. So now I'm going to times both sides by 2. When I times both sides by 2, the 2's cancel, and I'm left with x equals 12. Any questions on that? No? Good. All right. Number 2. First thing I want you to notice, I have a negative out in front, and I have x over 5. This is where I was talking Aaron before. This negative, I normally put it in the numerator, but the numerator just has an x. The denominator has a 5. So I'm going to put that negative on the 5. What would be my next step to solve this? Melody. Very nice. Plus 1 on both sides. I have x over negative 5 is equal to 7. And now at this point, what would I do next? Melody, pass or play? Okay, what do you do? Nice job. Times by negative 5 on each side. X is equal to negative 35. Recording. All right. Now that we are recording, what do we do next? Solve it. All right. Aaron, how do I do it? All right. T-bar, you on? Super. Plus 7 on both sides.
No, I want to talk about David.
What's next?
Negative b over 3 equals 5.
All right. Nice job.
Sure.
All right. Positive 5. So now I have negative b over 3. And then you want to change that negative onto the 3. Sweet. times by negative 3. Nice job. On both sides. So B is equal to negative 15. Nice. All right, Aaron, who are you going to pass to? Kyle, what do I do? Okay, you need a moment. All right, Kyle, what do I do? T-bar again, all right. Nice job, negative 22 or minus 22 on both sides. So now I get the opposite of k over 10 is equal to, what is 19 minus 22? Nice job, sir. And then what? Any idea? All right, put it on the 10, the negative sign. So now I have k over negative 10 equals negative 3. Then what, sir? And when I times by negative 10, very good. K equals 30 because it's a negative times a negative gives us a positive 30. Nice job. Any questions on this?